How to fix Steam is currently in offline mode, 2025 step-by-step guide. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection, make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that your network is stable. Sometimes Steam can't detect a connection even if other apps work. Then switch between off and online modes. In Steam, go to the top left menu and select Go Offline. Wait for a few seconds, then select Go Online. This can force Steam to recheck your connection and often resolve the issue. Then restart Steam or your PC, fully close Steam, then restart your computer, open Steam again, and then try to go online. Try desktop mode if you're using big picture. If you're stuck in offline mode, only in big picture mode, switch back to desktop mode. Many users report this instantly fixes the problem. You can also clear download cache, go to Steam, then go to settings, downloads, clear download cache. Steam will restart and you may need to log in again. This can fix connection glitches. You might also have to check the firewall and antivirus. Ensure Steam is allowed through your firewall and antivirus software. Sometimes these block Steam's connection, causing offline mode errors. Then update Steam and your Windows. Make sure both Steam and your operating system are up to date, as outdated softwares can cause connectivity issues. Subscribe